Hi everyone, welcome back to Harsha Trainings. My name is Ram. I'm DevOps and Cloud Trainer. So we have started one new batch on June 5th, okay, which is a multi-cloud with DevOps, right? So in this batch, we already completed demos, introductions, right? Yeah, so what is DevOps? What is cloud? What is CI/CD? What is the build and release process, right? Servers, networks, basics already completed, okay? So tomorrow onwards, we are going to start real sessions, practical sessions, okay? So the people who are not joined so far, you can go through the recordings and you can continue from tomorrow onwards. The people who are not added into WhatsApp group, you can add into WhatsApp group. From tomorrow onwards, link will be changed. Yeah, so tomorrow onwards, you'll get the new meeting link in the group, right? So if you are interested, you can make the fee and you can add into WhatsApp group. So every session, practical oriented only. So we don't discuss about theoretical part, right? So most of the tools will be covered in our course, and 3 clouds will be covered: AWS, Azure, GCP. Yeah, tomorrow onwards. So practical oriented sessions, right? So tomorrow onwards, regular sessions will be started. So if you are interested, you can add into WhatsApp group. You can make the fee. So you can share the screenshot to me so that I'll add into WhatsApp group, right? Tomorrow onwards, sessions are very, very important. So don't miss the session tomorrow onwards, okay? So far not attended demos, you'll get the recording sessions, don't worry. So you can ping me, you can call me, so that we'll provide you previous recordings, fine? So tomorrow onwards, regular sessions will be started. Yeah, the people who are not yet attended the demos, nothing to worry. You can go through the demos and you can add into WhatsApp group. You can continue from tomorrow onwards, fine? Thank you all.